Let's say you've created a new combination of designs. I'm going to take this particular design and even duplicate it a couple times just so we can see that we have something on screen. And let's say I want to save this. Maybe I've added lettering to it and made myself something unique, a quilt label, something customized. When you're ready to save it, we're working with the Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2. So we're looking for the heart at the bottom of your screen, and that's the first heart, and it will open up your save menu. Now, this is where you will be logged in to your My Sewnet, and you can save it on the cloud, you might say, or you're actually saving it to the machine if you're not logged in. You can also put a USB stick in and find where you can add designs to that place, and you can even create your own folder. So wherever you want to save this, I have actually quite a few things on my cloud, which is nice because they're always with me if I need to do something. So if I wanted to open a new folder and I'm going to call it EPIC 2, then I can see it easily. Next, open up your folder called EPIC 2 and give your design a new name if you would prefer. So if sometimes I just type in a letter, and so P for Paisley, and then I have saved it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go take and touch and hold and delete, or touch and hold the trash can down here and delete everything. Lots of different ways to clear the screen off. I didn't really delete it, I was just clearing it. So where did it actually get saved? Let's go up to the folder at the top. Choose, and in the alphabetical order, I see EPIC 2, the folder I created. So you see the design we've saved in this folder, but it's just by the name. So if you want to see the picture, that's sometimes easier to find when you know kind of the look that you have saved. I can see those are my 3 paisleys. I can touch and hold and bring that design back in. So just like I had it, I can go ahead and stitch it at any time. Plus, I still have the ability to move, delete, or change, or add to the design, and then even save it again as a different named design. So super easy to do. And again, when I touch and hold the trash can, all I'm doing is clearing off the screen. If I do want to actually get in and delete something here, like I want to delete the design that I've saved, that is where you can come down at this point and touch the trash can, and it'll double check. Are you sure you want to erase that? Yes. And I might even, just so I'm not so clogged up here, is touch my folder called EPIC 2 now that it is empty, and I'm going to touch and delete the trash can, and that way it's not saved any place that I would need to remember where I saved it. So you can always retrieve. Make sure that you are working and get set up with your My Sewnet account. That is a free account that will allow you to save your designs and always have access to them.